Hi students, coming to the next topic, this is binary division. So if you understand the normal binary division, then automatically you can understand the binary division operation. So in decimal representation, what is the flow? Generally, what is the rules we are going to maintain? So must we have to understand all these steps. Once again, I will repeat the decimal division operation. If you understand this decimal division operation, automatically you can easily understand this binary division operation. So let us go with small example. So here 128 by 8 operation. 128 by 8 equal to, that means 16. 128 by 8, 16 is the coefficient. Here this is divisor, this is a dividend, this is the coefficient places, and this is the coefficient, this is remainder. That means this is a remainder. So just go through all the small steps once again. So 128 by 8. First, initially just take the 8, and this is a single digit. Single digit is divided with a single digit. First one, 1. Is it possible? 8 is divided with 1. That means 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is not possible. Otherwise, just check the condition. Is 8 compared with 1? 8 is compared with 1. 8 is greater than 1. In this case, 1 by 8 or 1 by 8 division is not possible. If the division is not possible, just consider as this is equal to 0. Just put the 0 value same as it is here. That means consider as this division is not possible, so that just assume this is equal to 0 and subtract this value like this. That means 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, the subtraction output equal to 1 in this case. So next case, after completion of this step, next case, receive the subsequent decimal number 2 like this. From the dividend part, the subsequent number is 2. 2 is received like this and place here, exactly same place of after the first step. Now just check the values. This is a 8, once again divided with 8, and the next value is 12. So here 12 by 8. In this case, 12 by 8 is division is possible, or comparison 8 is less than 12. 8 is less than 12. So division is possible. So how many times? 12 by 8 means 1 time. That means the value coefficient output equal to 1, and here write the 8 value like this. 8. 12 minus 8. Subtract these values. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 means the output equal to 4. Output equal to 4. Coming to this dividend part, one more value is there. So here output, the subtract output is 4. So one more value is there in the dividend part. So read that value is like this, and the read value is placed here. That means the next value is 48. The previous output is 4, and the received dividend value is 8. Now it is 48. 48. Just comparison this one. Now 48 by 8. Is it possible? Yes. The division is possible. 48 by 8. How many times? 6 times. That means 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. So that the coefficient value equal to 6 here. The continuation values. Coefficient value is 6. And paste the exactly value. 48 is declared as here. So now division principle, subtract these two values. 48 minus 48, the coefficient value equal to 0. So here consider 8 by 128 by 8 principle. This is a dividend, and this is a divisor, this is a remainder, this is a coefficient. 0, 1, 6. The result equal to actual final value equal to the coefficient equal to 0. So before 16, some 0 is there. The left side value, there is no value here in this case. As per our division principles, the left side are not only division principles, the left side 0 is not invalid numbers. That means 0. So either binary case or decimal case, the 0 is invalid. So that the number of weightage is only the weightage is 1, 6. So 1, 6. 128 by 8, that is equal to 1, 6. This is the way we are going to performing normal decimal division operation. Coming to the binary operation, if you understand the complete division rules of this decimal division, automatically you can understand this binary division also. So let us take a small example here. The binary value, this one 1001011. This is called a dividend. That means this is a dividend. This is the divisor. This value is considered as a divisor. This is a coefficient place. After completion of this one, coefficient. Let us check one by one. Here, initially it is directly the total value. With the help of this total binary, whatever the divisor we are consider here, the divisor is completely checked with every time single value or single values. So every time it is checked with total values with single digit, single binary digit. Let us start with first initial step. Here, two binary values are there. Here, the more number of binary values are there. So initially, this two binary values is checked with only one time, one binary values. Two binary value is compared with only single binary value. That means first case 11, that 1 by 11. Is it possible for a division? 1 by division. So here division principle is not possible. That indicates if the division principle, that means is a decimal equivalent of this binary value equal to 1, 1 equal to 3. As per decimal principle, binary equivalent to 1 equal to 1 and binary 1 equal to decimal 3. So 1 by 3 division is not possible. So that just assume here the coefficient output is 0 and substitute this value because not possible. So consider as a 0 and subtract these values. 1 minus 0, output equal to 1. Output equal to 1. The next step. Coming to the next step. So here remaining dividend values are there. So the continuation subsequent value is received like this and placed just the side of this subtraction output. So now it is considered as a 1 0. Here divisor value 1 1. Once again check these two values. That means 1 1 is less than 1 1. Wait. 1 1 once again is greater than 1 0. So if 1 1 is greater than 1 0, that means division principle 1 0 is divided by 1 1. So here also division is not possible as per our division rules. 1 0 is basically this is a decimal number 2 and this is a decimal number 3. 2 by 3 division is once again not possible. So if it is not possible, just consider it as a output coefficient is 0. So just if the division principle is not possible, so that once again write down here that 0 is considered here, the output equal to 0. So 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 0, the output equal to the subtraction output equal to 1 0. So coming to the remaining values of the dividend, again we are receiving like this, the next value. Next value is 0. Substitute here. Now check the 1 1 at a time. Comparison in between 1 1 and 1 0 0. 1 1 is greater than 1 0 0. So not greater than, less than. Now 11, that means 1 1 is less than 1 0 0. 1 1 is less than 1 0 means 1 0 0, the division operation 1 0 0 by 11. That is equivalent to, in decimal representation, this is 4 by 3. Now division is possible, but some remainder is there. That means 3 is possible. That means 3 into 1 3. Distance is remaining 1 is there. So here, so one time is possible here. Division principle one time is possible. The coefficient value is considered as a 1 because every time we are going to observe here either 0 or 1. We are going to observe 0 and 1 combination output is considered at the place of this coefficient. Because the binary division, the coefficient is also in binary. Everywhere we are going to consider zeros and ones combination, either divisor, dividend, or coefficient or remainder, every case. So here one time is possible. So output equal to coefficient output this place. For this step, this is 1 and note down this value is 1 1 here. Now subtract these values, 1 0 0 minus 1 1. 1 0 0 means this means 4 equivalent to this is a 3. So as per binary subtraction, 0 minus 1 is not possible. Not possible. So if the subtraction is not possible, if it is not possible, automatically you can receive the borrow from the next position. So here also the value equal to 0. So if it is 0, again for as per our decimal procedure, decimal borrowing steps, same as it is here, receiving the borrow from this position. That is called this position is 0. From this position, if we are receiving 1 0, because from the distance this is 0, this is 1, so that 1 0 we are receiving, here 0 is there. So if it is 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 subtraction, the output equal to 1. So 1 0 is taken as here, remaining value in this place is 1, this place is considered as 0, this is 1, this is 0. After subtraction, 1 0 minus 1, this place is considered as 1 and this place is considered as a 0. 1 minus 1, the remaining, the subtraction value equal to 0. So now it is 1 0 0 minus 1 1, the output equal to 0 1. Next, coming to the subsequent step, after completion of this one, next receive the value, the next subsequent value of the dividend. One is like this. Now the value equal to 0 1 1. Again check the next step division rules. 1 1 is compared with 1 1. Here both are equal. That means 1 1 by 1 1. That means 3 by 3 operation. 3 by 3 is possible. So that write down the here coefficient value equal to 1 and note down the value equal to 1 1 like this. Next subtract these values from the 0 1 1 minus 1 1. So 1 1 minus 1 1, the result output equal to subtracted output equal to 0. So next subsequent value 0 is received like this. Now it is 0 0. So next check the values 11 is greater than or equal to greater than 2 0 0. In this case that means 0 0 by 0 0 by 1 1. So this division principle also not valid. So if 0 0 by 0 0 by 1 1 is not valid, so that in this case consider as the coefficient value equal to 0. Note down this value below this present state. That means 0. So once again perform the subtraction operation. 0 0 minus 0, the output equal to 0. Output equal to 0. The next one, the subsequent value, that is 1 received like this and placed here. That means 0 1. Now it is compared with 11 with 0 1. 0 1 by 11. In this case 0 1 by 11, the division principle is not possible. That means this is also invalid division. So if it is invalid, once again put the value here 0 and note down the value this place. That means 0. Now apply the subtraction. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. Nothing but here 1. So the final value equal to 1 is there. So here same as it is our regular principle. Receive the value like this, subsequent value, and place it here. This means 1. Now it is 1 1. Here the divisor value is also 1. So 1 1 by 1 1. The final division 1 1 by 1 1 by 1 1. That means 3 by 3 like this. 3 by 3 like this. So here division possible. Division is possible 3 by 3 one time. So note down here 1 and subtract this 1 1 from 1 1. So here 1 1 minus 1 1, the value equal to 0. Value equal to 0. So this is a reminder of this division principle, and this is the coefficient 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This one 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is the coefficient value. If you multiply this value, this 1 1 with this complete value, we'll get this exactly value. This is the way we are going to perform in binary division operation. Thank you.